Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is, here's why your McDonald's Doordash never got delivered.
Officers initiated a stop for an expired registration.
Officer Keenan's police stopping you because the registration is showing suspended on this car and your headlights out. Did I stop you for that just recently, the headlight? You didn't fix it yet?
No, that costs money. It's not overnight.
Let me see your driver's license insurance.
She said the headlight costs money. I'm sorry, I normally let it play a little bit longer, but look, headlight, you go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto, you buy the light bulb, whatever, how much it costs, is probably like $30, whatever, $20. And you ask the guy, hey, can you put this in? He probably gonna he and haw. You say, oh, I'll step out and take a look at it. He gonna he and haw if he can't get his hand in there. Then you hit him with, yo, right, I got $50 for you, man. Can you slide that? Can you, you know what I'm saying? He can be like, oh yeah, I got you. Facts. You know how many hours he got to work to make $50? That's like 3 hours.
Updated insurance, this is expired. Alright. What's a good phone number for you?
I'm not speaking to you, bro.
Huh?
I'm not speaking to you.
Okay. I don't need a phone number, but if something happens, they won't be able to call you. Step out. Step out of the car.
For what?
We're towing your car.
No, bro, this is the third time you stopped me.
Step
no.
out of the car.
No,
Listen,
don't even touch me. Don't touch my car.
If you don't get out of the car, you're going to get arrested, okay?
That's all. We don't want to do any of that. I try to let you know, okay?
Here's the court date.
Bro,
you don't have to stay here.
No, you're harassing me, bro. This is the third fucking time in a week that you fucking stopped me.
Then you have to get insurance.
But why the fuck didn't you do something about it last time, though?
It wasn't
now
suspended.
You want to do something now?
It wasn't suspended.
But you're...
It is now.
Really?
Here's your citations. It's a court date on the bottom.
I should just piss me off. You're not taking my
Step
car.
out of the car or you're going to get arrested.
Arrested for what?
Obstructing.
Obstructing?
Yes, you have to get out of the car.
Because you're harassing me?
You have to get out of the car.
This is the third time you take my...
I'm not going to keep telling you to get out
bro.
of the car. You got to step out, get your stuff, and you're going to have to go. Okay?
Bro, how the fuck am I going to go home?
Call somebody.
Fucking dumbasses, bro.
You live in town, right?
Ooh, and I'm not fucking... You think I'm fucking walking? Is you
My
cool?
father can give you a ride.
I'm not trying to ride with y'all.
Well, I don't care what you do. You're an adult.
I don't fuck with y'all.
Get out of the car. Tell we're not going to play this game, all right? If you don't get out of the car, I'm going to arrest you for obstructing, and then you'll have something else to go to court for, okay? Don't make things worse. You have to drive with insurance. If you don't have insurance, they suspend your license plate, and then we have to tow the car, okay?
I'm just wondering why you didn't do this shit last time.
I already told you.
Because it was, though, you liar.
It was not suspended, and I'm not going to keep doing this. Get out of the car now, or I'm pulling you out, okay? And then you're getting arrested.
Don't touch me.
Then get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out.
Don't touch me. Yeah, so trying to do some stupid shit. I couldn't even go drop off my fucking order.
Listen, I get where you're coming from.
Bro, just stop talking to me and back up.
Get out of the car.
Okay,
Let's go.
Back up.
Get out.
Back up. Fuck.
Come on.
I don't.
I know you're not stupid, so I don't know why we have to keep talking about the same thing,
Bro,
all right?
I'm not dumb for shit.
All right, then I shouldn't have to explain this over and over again to you. You know why we stopped you. You know why we have to tow your car. I know you're upset about it, but it is what it is. You're an adult. Fix your stuff. You have a court date. If you don't go to court, they'll issue a warrant, all right? Here's the court date information. If you want, you can stay until the tow truck comes. and I'll give you the information. Otherwise, you can go to Rogers and pick it up. It's up to you. I know you're upset and you want to leave.
Yeah, you just pissed me the fuck off because it's the third time. You just stopped me the fuck away. You don't know how annoying that is?
Fix your car then. If you drive around with broken equipment...
Okay, give me a fucking break. You stopped me last fucking
If you drive around with broken equipment, then you will get stopped. It happens.
Give me a chance to fix the shit. You think I'm motherfucking rich?
I didn't even write you for the headlight this time. You have to fix your insurance. You can't drive without insurance. Now get out. Let's go. You want to take your McDonald's or no?
Bro, it's not my order.
Okay.
Hello.
Are you taking it or are you leaving it? It's up to you.
Ooh,
All right, step out. The tow truck's here. Let's go. Let's go. I backed up. If you don't get out, you're getting arrested. I've already told you this multiple times. We're not going to play games with you. Okay? If you need a ride, my partner can give you a ride to your house. Otherwise...
Step out, I can give you a ride, okay? You don't want to be arrested.
Oh, wait till my fucking birthday. I fucking hate y'all, bro.
What are you doing?
Bro, I'm turning up my window. I'm turning up my window.
Get out of the car now.
I'm turning up my window.
Get out.
Don't touch
Good.
She gonna get under arrest now.
I told you to get out of the car. Stop.
You just hit me in my face.
Get out.
Bitch ass.
Wait, he hit her in the face? Wait, hold on. Did I see that? I didn't see that part. Hold on.
I'm turning up my window. I'm turning up my window.
Get out.
Don't touch
He ain't hit her in the face. He pulled her out.
I told you to get out of the car. Stop.
You just hit me in my face.
Get out.
Bitch ass.
You know what?
Don't fucking touch me.
You're getting arrested.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, arrest her. I agree. Too emotional, man. Get it together. Or they gonna get you together.
2259. We have to drive.
You made yourself a target. That's what happens.
Get the fuck off me!
I'm gonna take you to my car, okay?
Get the fuck off me! You fucking bitch! Give me my fucking face! Oh my fucking god! This dumbass just hit me in my fucking face, bro!
Do you have anything on you, Tinto? Tinto.
Oh my fucking god, bro! I'm mad as fuck! Let me go! My shit is on the floor, bro!
We're gonna
I
pick
need
it up,
my
Anything on you?
I fucking hate you, bitch!
Well, listen next time. Don't start the car when we're trying to tell you out of the car. Okay.
You hit me in my fucking face!
It's all on camera.
Should officers have allowed her to complete the delivery?
That's a funny ending. Yeah, that was funny. Listen. Was he targeting her? More than likely. Getting stopped by the same cop 3 times in a week. Are you being targeted? Probably. But your stuff's not legit. The stops are legit. You got a BMW. And I was sitting back and I'm thinking, and I'm like, yo, you could go to AutoZone, man. It's $20 for a light bulb, this, that, boom. But then I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, oh, wait, she got a BMW. And everything with foreign cars are hella complicated. You know, they're super complicated. That's why American-made cars, you can find parts for them easy, cheap, whatever. But BMWs and everybody want to ride the BMWs and the Mercedes and this and that until they got to fix something on that thing. And it's a simple fix is so complicated, you know, a simple oil change for, you know, whatever, one vehicle, you doing it on a BMW or something like that. It's just hella extra steps for no reason. So, you know, I was sitting there thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, BMW, you know, it could be a little bit more expensive just to fix a light bulb, you know, a $20 light bulb for, you know, whatever, a Chevy or Ford or something like that, whatever, you know, Chrysler or something, you know, with a BMW, it's that thing probably gonna be $100, you know. So that's what happens when you want to drive them foreign cars, you know, you pay them foreign prices. But anyway, yeah, your stuff's not legit. Get legit. If you legit, he ain't got a reason to pull you over. So could he be targeting her? Could be, but like I said, she's also not legit. So overall, the cop gets a 4 because I think it was too much back and forth. You know what I'm saying? She was lollygagging, taking all day to get out the car. You know, that's my personal take, but so I give him a 4. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.